the straw. Well, we have ways of making it talk. Where are your rebel friends now?
The Pop-Tarts are ready!
All right!
But, hi. Oh. That hurt. No.
Are you alright? I'm proud of you, Sheriff. A lesser man would have talked under such torture.
Sure hope this isn't permanent.
Still no word from Star Command. Not that far from a spaceport.
The door! It's open! We're free!
What if you don't know what's out there?
I'll tell you what... They're gonna eat us, Buzz! Do something quick!
Shield your eyes! It's not working. I recharged it before I left. It should be good for now.
You idiot! You're a toy! Use your karate chop action!
Hey, how you doing there?
Back, you savages, back!
Woody, stop it!
Sorry, guys, but dinner's canceled.
Oh?
There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Stuff like that, cowboy. You're gonna get us killed. Don't tell me what to do.
I want you to cut out. Come out. Let go. We might get out of here now. Make sure it never go on happen. Oh yeah, good idea. That don't let it happen. Oops. Ah. Yo! Uh-oh.
Split up.
I'll hide. Okay. Oh, I